I'd like to buy a ticket to Palu, please.
Certainly, miss. However, please note that we don't have a direct flight to Palu from this airport. You will need to transfer either to Jakarta or Surabaya.
I see. Can you tell me which connecting departs that it is?
There will be a layover in Jakarta.
Okay, in that case, I'll take the Jakarta flight, please.
Very good. Could I ask you if you have checked any luggage?
Yes, it is. And by the way, how much carry-on luggage am I allowed to bring, miss?
You are permitted to bring one small bag or with you on board.
Are there any direct flights available to Palu by any chance, miss?
Unfortunately, no. All flight to Palu from this airport requires a transfer either to Jakarta or Surabaya.
And then, what airlines operate flight to Palu, miss?
You have a few options. They are Sriwijaya Air, Lion Air, CityLink, AirAsia, and Garuda.
I see. I prefer flight with Garuda, and where exactly can I process Garuda ticket, please?
You are the right place. This is the Garuda Airlines ticket counter. We can process your ticket here.
Great. Let's go ahead with that. I'll be flying with the Garuda then.
Excellent choice. Let me handle that for you. Please show me the immigration number, and we'll proceed with the booking.